let's talk about your brain. Keeping your brain healthy and fit is just as important as maintaining physical fitness, right? A healthy brain means better memory, sharper thinking, and an overall better quality of life. So let's dive into it. Habit number 2: exercise regularly. Exercise isn't just about physical fitness, it's brain fitness. When you exercise, your heart pumps more blood, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain. This increased blood flow helps remove waste products and harmful toxins from your brain, promoting overall brain health. Regular exercise has been proven to increase the size of your hippocampus, an area of the brain that plays a crucial role in learning and memory. It also stimulates the growth of new brain cells and enhances the connections between them, which improves cognitive function and memory. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercises such as brisk walking, running, or cycling spread throughout the week. Strength training exercises and yoga can also enhance brain function by improving balance and flexibility. Habits to eat a brain-boosting diet. What you eat has a profound impact on your brain health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the essential nutrients your brain needs to stay healthy and sharp. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts are crucial for brain health. These healthy fats support optimal brain function and have been linked to improved memory and reduced risk of cognitive decline. Antioxidants present in berries, dark chocolate, and green tea protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and disease. Healthy fats such as those found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts help maintain the structure and function of brain cells, while whole grains provide a steady supply of energy to keep your brain running smoothly. Habit 3: get enough sleep. Sleep isn't just about resting your body, it's also vital for brain health. While you sleep, your brain consolidates memories, transferring information from the hippocampus to other areas of the brain for long-term storage. This process is essential for learning and remembering new information. Sleep also helps improve problem-solving skills and creativity. Not getting enough sleep can impair your brain's ability to function optimally, affecting your memory, concentration, and decision-making abilities. To ensure a good night's sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Avoid screen time before bed as the blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your sleep-wake cycle. Habit 4: stay mentally active. Keep your mind engaged in activities that challenge and stimulate your brain. Read books, solve puzzles, learn a new language, or play a musical instrument. These activities enhance cognitive function and help build new neural pathways in your brain. Engaging in strategic games like chess or Sudoku can improve your problem-solving skills and memory. Learning a new skill, such as playing an instrument, can boost your brain power and make you more mentally agile. Habit 5: manage stress. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on your brain health. Prolonged stress can lead to impaired memory, difficulty concentrating, and even brain cell damage. To manage stress, practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness. These practices can help calm your mind, reduce stress hormones, and promote overall brain health. Habit 6: stay socially connected. Socialization is not only important for emotional well-being, but also for maintaining brain health. Engaging in social activities and interacting with others can help keep your mind sharp and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Make an effort to talk to friends, join clubs or groups, or volunteer in your community to stay mentally stimulated and connected. Let's look at a sample daily brain workout plan incorporating these habits. Daily brain workout plan: morning exercise for at least 30 minutes, followed by a healthy breakfast containing omega-3 fatty acids. Or afternoon, read a book or work on a puzzle to keep your mind active. Evening, spend time socializing with friends or family or engage in a mentally stimulating activity. Night, practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to prepare for sleep. Ensure you get at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. By adopting these simple yet effective habits, you can significantly improve your memory, focus, and overall brain health. Remember, it's never too early or too late to invest in your brain health. Start today and embrace a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching.